In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay at Kohl's. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm gonna be showing you this process through the Afterpay website on a web browser, but you can also do this through the mobile app. You will notice that if you open up Afterpay and you look for Kohl's, you won't be able to find the actual Kohl's supermarket or the Kohl's store. As you can see, the only thing that pops up are Kohl's gift cards. This is because if you look for Kohl's Afterpay on Google, you will be able to find the official Kohl's website answering the question, can I use Afterpay as a payment option? No, we don't accept payment through buy now, pay later digital payment apps or websites like Afterpay, OpenPay, Klarna, or similar. So as of today, while you can't proceed through checkout using Afterpay, you are able to buy Kohl's gift cards. With these gift cards that you can buy through Afterpay, you will be able to make your purchases on Kohl's by redeeming them using their card number and PIN number. So, as of today, like I said, you will need to buy Kohl's gift cards. Look for Kohl's and access Kohl's gift cards on the search results. After you select the amount of funds that you want from the gift card, you simply have to redeem it during your payment method when purchasing something. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay at Kohl's. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.